Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to talk about why Amazefit T-Rex Pro is one of the best smartwatches or fitness trackers that you can use to track your jump rope activity. And I realized it because I jump rope from time to time whenever I'm trying to get fit or get into shape. So I have used a lot of other watches like Galaxy watches and Mi Band 6, but when I eventually used Amazfit T-Rex Pro to track my jump rope activity, I was amazed to see the amount of information it gave me and the things that it could track, things that I have not seen any other smartwatch or fitness tracker do. So that's why I'm making this video. So without any further delays, let's get into it. So if we go into the workout app here, just scroll up to look up jumping rope, go in here. Now you have this big green button for go. Scroll up to look up jumping rope, go in here. Now you have this big green button for go, and if you press it, it will start tracking your activity straight away. But down here we have another button. So this is the settings button. Go in here and you get 3 more options that you can play around with: workout goal, workout settings, and alerts. So if you go in workout goal, you can set your goal, which is 300 times that I have set here as a goal. You can change it and you can set it up by training effect, aerobic TE or anaerobic TE. But then we have workout data, and here you can set up count, consumption, duration. So you can change things a bit. So you can go for duration, how much time you want to do your jump rope activity. You can go for consumption, and here you can set up your calories, how many calories you want to burn, and then obviously count, which I have set up here. Then you have the third option, which is no goal at all. Moving on, we have workout settings. If you go in here, you have the first option, which is if you want to keep the screen on during the workout. Then you have your real-time graph, and you can use this graph to show you real-time data, whether it's heart rate, frequency, or training effect. Then we have data display. So here you can set up data display points that you want to have on your screen at one time. So whether you want to have your heart rate, frequency, time, whatever it is, whether you want to have just 2 data points on the screen at one time or you want to have 6, you can choose between them. I like having as much information on my screen at one time as possible, so that's why I've selected the maximum limit, that's 6. And then finally we have wake screen on wrist raise. So you can go in here, you can set it up as always enabled, or you can time it, or you can disable it. And then finally we have some of our alerts here. So you can go in here and you can set up alerts for safe heart rate zone alerts, time alerts, calories, and drink water, energy intake. Now that we are done with setting up our settings here, we can simply press go and start tracking the workout. And here, as you can see, that we have 6 data points that we set up in settings. So we have set count, current set number, workout time, heart rate, set time, and total jumps. If you swipe to the left, you have your option to pause, save, and discard. And if you swipe down, you can then see more options. So here you can see frequency, the number of calories burnt, and heart rate chart that will show up here as well if you're wearing the watch. I'm not wearing it obviously. Now whenever you will press this back button, it will pause the workout, and here it will show completed set number 1. So you have recorded your 1 set. So what this means is that after you have completed your 1 set, you can simply press this back button and it will record that as 1 set. And when you're ready to move on to the next set, you can simply press this button and it will start tracking the second set. Now here will show you current set number 2. So now we are on set number 2, and if you press back button, it will count that as completed set number 2, and then you can press this button again and it will start recording set number 3. Now during the workout, you can press the select button and it comes up with more options. It will pause the workout. It will not count that as a set, but it will just pause it. When you will press the back button, that will count as a set. If you press select, it will just pause the workout, and here you get some more options. So we have continue, save, alerts, more, or discard. So if you go in alerts, you can actually change your alerts from within the workout. Now you can go in more, and here you can also change few settings, whether you want to keep screen on or your wake screen on wrist raise gesture. You can control all of that from within the workout as well. And then obviously you can discard the workout, you can save it or continue. So here we'll discard it. Now once you have recorded your workout, your data will show up in this way. Now here I have 1 tracked jump rope activity here. So here you can see that the total number of jumps 355, it will show you your total workout time, total set interval time, total number of groups, which is the total number of sets that you had, and then your average frequency, calories burned, average heart rate, maximum heart rate, and then comes heart rate zones, and finally we have our heart rate chart. Then you can swipe to the left and in comes aerobic TE and anaerobic TE, and load of this workout shows up as 20. Now you can read more about it here. So if I tap this button, it shows you that training effect is a visual representation of the impact of this workout on your fitness levels. It is calculated based on your personal info, heart rate, and intensity of the workout. You can read about it here. I'm not well versed in these terms, obviously. And finally, you have your set details here. So it shows your number of sets here, and in each set the number of counts of your jumps and your frequency and how long that set lasted, 55 seconds, 43, 39, and then down here as you can see that I was testing around, so there were 0 counts here. And finally we have the option to delete this workout or go back. So here you can see that you can not only track the number of jumps you made or the number of calories you burned, it also gives you your frequencies, it also gives you your set and number of jumps you made in each set, and a lot more detailed overview of your workout in general. And I have not seen this amount of detail going into tracking your workout in any other watch or fitness tracker, and that's why I think this Amazefit T-Rex Pro is one of the best watches if you want to track your jump rope activities. Now obviously I have not used any other Amazefit watches yet, I am about to, but if they have this similar kind of tracking as well, then Amazefit watches are the best for your jump rope tracking. I'll definitely follow up on this with other Amazefit watches as well. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.